Section B, connecting a form. Step 1, preparing the thank you page. Begin either with the funnel whose opt-in page you saved in Section A, or by loading the pre-built Module 3 Ready for API funnel using the following share code in the walkthrough. In either case, you will notice that the funnel contains both an opt-in page and a thank you page. The latter is the page to which the user will be taken after clicking our opt-in page's sign up button. So, to prepare the thank you page, all we need to do is publish it and make a note of its URL. Click on the thank you page preview to open it in the page builder. Then just click Publish in the top toolbar. You'll be prompted to give a path for the page. Note that your domain name will be different from the ones shown here. Enter the path module3/thank-you. Make a note of the full URL and click Publish. Check that the page has been published by looking at the status indicator to the left of the top toolbar. Return to the funnel now by clicking on the Convertri icon in the top left-hand corner of the page. Step 2, integrating via API. Integration. Time to hook up the form. Open up the opt-in page in the page builder and then select Forms in the top toolbar. The Configure Form dialog will open. Click on Autoresponders and select your service from the drop-down list. In this example, we're going to use MailChimp. Now, if you already have your integration set up, you will be asked to choose a list to which to add your prospects. But if you don't have your integration set up, you'll see a message asking you to click the button and do so now. If this is the case, click the Click here to open integrations button in a new tab and set it up. In the new tab, select your service from the autoresponders list and click Connect your account. You'll be prompted to log into your autoresponder account, so just enter your username and password and click Login. Then a confirmation message will appear. Close this window and return to the previous tab. When you're all set up, choose your list from the ones in your autoresponder account. Step 3, integrating via API, matching fields. Once you've selected your list, you'll be prompted to match the fields in your form to those in your autoresponders list. The list of fields you see in the menu will depend on the fields in your list. My list contains the following fields: first name, last name, and health condition. Every field in your form must be matched to a type, which is a category of information that your autoresponder list is set up to handle. Note that it's not mandatory to have every type matched to a field. You can have fewer fields than types. This form's first name, last name, and email fields, being pre-wired, have automatically been set up with their correct types. This ensures that our users' details will be added into the correct fields of our autoresponder list. But our list needs the user's health condition, which will be collected by the condition text input field. There is no such type in that list, so choose one which is otherwise unused. For mine, I'll use notes. This means that in the next step of the module, we'll need to revisit the condition text input field and change its type to notes. Then click Next. Step 4, setting the thank you page. You'll be prompted to enter the URL of a page to which to redirect your user once they have clicked Sign Up. Enter the full URL of your thank you page that you noted in Step 1. Then press Done. Finally, select the condition text input field. click on Form Field Settings in the Properties panel. Then set the assigned field type to Notes. Notice that we have the option to make this field required. For the purposes of this example, all of our text input fields need to be completed before the Sign Up button is pressed. So use Click Shift to select all the form fields. Then select Required in the Form Field Settings menu. Next, save and publish your page. Step 5. File delivery. Once our users have entered their details and click Sign Up, they're taken to our thank you page. As a final touch, let's add a lead magnet that they can download from this page with a single click. Return to the funnel and click on the thank you page. Prepare the page as follows. Make some room for the new section by moving the footer downwards and expanding the main panel. Add a text element with the heading 2 text, "Can't wait, check out our lead magnet." Then add a Sign Up button from the Form Elements menu. Move the Sign Up button under the text element, center it, and change its background color to orange. Use Shift and drag to move the footer bar upwards, removing any white space beneath the Sign Up button. Now we'll set up the button. Select it and choose Button Settings from the Properties panel. Change the mode to Download. Then click on the Open File icon next to Download File. This opens the file library. Click the Upload button. Navigate to the location in which you unzip the Module 3 Resources folder and select the lead magnet document. The document will be added to your library. Click on it and press Select. In the Button Settings panel, allow your user's browser to open the file according to their settings by switching on Force Download on click. To complete the setup, change the button's label from Submit to Take a Look. And change the font family to Nonito Sans. Then save and republish the page. Congratulations, you have completed Module 3. You know now how to build a form and wire it up using API integration.